Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll tack a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. And surely you'll be your pint stoop, and surely I'll be mine, and we'll tack a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll tack a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. We twa hae run about the braes and pout the gowans fine, but we've wandered mony a weary fit sin Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll tack a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. We twa hae paddled in the burn frae morning sun till dine, but seas between us braid hae roared sin Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll tack a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. And there's a hand, my trusty fair, and gie's a hand o' thine, and we'll tack a right good willy waft for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll tack a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne.